Hello everybody, nice to see you. My name is Wayne and welcome to English Bus Lessons. Now today is very special because we're starting a new book, the AST Reading Key Basic 2. And let's open our books to the first unit, Unit 1 on page 8, and let's have some fun. Unit 1. What is a globe? Okay, let's find out by looking at the keywords. And the first keywords we're going to look at are globe and model. Now, this picture, look at this. Here is the Earth. This is the Earth, but it's not a map. We don't call this a map. It's not a map. It's a model of the Earth. And we call a model of the Earth a globe. So a model of the Earth is called a globe. So here is a globe. Do you have a globe in your home? Do you have a globe in your school? I think you've seen them at the store many, many times. Now, let's move on to the other keywords. Imaginary line. So line, you know a line. There's one line, two lines, three lines, and blue lines, many blue lines. Imaginary means not real. Not real, because here is a map of the Earth. The Earth does not have lines on it. There's no lines on the real Earth. Now these lines, they go horizontally. Horizontally. From over on one side to the other side. We call them lines of latitude. Now latitude means how close you are to the north part and how close you are to the south part. So these are lines of latitude. So remember, latitude lines, they go horizontally, not vertically. Now, if we have lines of latitude going horizontally, which lines go vertically? Well, the imaginary lines here, and also here, there's many. I only gave you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but really they're imaginary. So there's many, 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 many lines in here. Not just 5, there's many of them. And these are called longitude. From the North Pole, they go down to the South Pole. And if you go 1, 2, 3, 4, they go this way and they go this way. From west to east or east to west. So those are lines of longitude and they go vertically, vertically. See if you can remember that. Now, here is another globe, and the top of the globe is called the North Pole. We call them poles because we think there's a line through. So there's one pole and another pole at the end of the line. And here is America, here is Canada, over here is England and Europe and Russia. So this is the North Pole, the Arctic, and down below, past Chile, past Argentina, is the South Pole, Antarctica area. Okay, so there's the keywords. We just looked at the globe. Now let's learn some more and let's read. What is a globe? Okay, let's find out and read together. We can get the answers together. Ready? Look around your classroom. You can probably see a globe in it. What is a globe? A globe is a model of the Earth that shows what the Earth looks like. A globe is a kind of map. It shows all of the land and water on the Earth. You can turn a globe and see all 7 continents and 5 oceans. But that is not all that a globe shows. Look carefully at the globe. There are many lines on it. Some are horizontal lines, while others are vertical lines. These lines on the grid are 2 sets of imaginary lines that circle the Earth. The horizontal lines that circle from east to west are lines of latitude. The vertical lines that circle from north to south are lines of longitude. The lines of longitude pass through the North Pole and the South Pole. When we know the latitude and longitude of a place, we know its exact location on the globe. There, that's the reading. Thank you very much for reading with me. Now, let's go back and take a look at that story one more time, okay? Yeah, so in your classroom, maybe you have a globe, all right? Now, what does a globe show? Well, the globe is something that shows what the Earth looks like. It's just a model of what the Earth looks like. It's kind of like a map, but not exactly, because it's a model. And it shows the land, it shows the water, all 7 continents. Remember continents? North America, South America, Asia, and Europe, and so on. Okay, and it shows the 5 oceans as well. Now, let's move on to latitude and longitude. There are imaginary lines, not real lines, that are on the globe. What do they show? They show us the places. They show us the places. The horizontal lines are lines of latitude. The vertical lines are lines of longitude. Longitude goes from the North Pole to the South Pole. But the lines of latitude, they don't really go through anything. They start at the equator and go up, or you can go down as well towards the south. And if you know both the line of longitude and the line of latitude, it's a point, just like an X or a cross. And that gives the exact location on the Earth, exact location on the globe. Okay, please read that again and practice once or twice. When you're ready, come back. We'll do the checkup. Okay, let's test ourselves and see if we can get a high score. The main idea and details. Question number 1. What is the passage mainly about? What's the story mainly about? Is it A, the Earth's continents and oceans, B, the features of a globe, or C, lines of latitude and longitude? Which one is it? A, B, or C? And it is B, the features of a globe. And the features are the continents, the oceans, and also we talked about latitude and longitude. So all the things on the globe are the features. Now, number 2, lines of latitude are blank lines. Is it horizontal, vertical, or diagonal? So remember, lines of latitude are horizontal lines. Yeah, right. They go from east to west or just left to right. Nice job. Okay, question number 3. Why is knowing a place's latitude and longitude important? Why do we want to know the latitude and longitude? Why? A, it tells us how close to the North Pole it is. B, it tells us the name of the place. C, it tells us the place's exact location. So, why do we want to know latitude and longitude? Because C, it tells us the place's exact location. And maybe we can find the name if there is a name. All right, question number 4. What does imaginary mean? What's the meaning of imaginary? Is it real, not real, or colorful? A, B, or C? It's B, not real. Something that is imaginary is not real, like a ghost, for example. Now, number 5, let's complete the sentences. A globe is a blank of the Earth. A what? It's a model of the Earth. Did you get that one? B, lines of longitude run from blank to south. What's the opposite of south? Yeah, north. north to south, the North Pole to the South Pole. C, lines of blank run from east to west. Now, I just gave you the answer a moment ago. It is latitude. Lines of latitude run from east to west. Nice, that was good. Question number 6, let's complete the outline. We are talking about a globe. First, what is it? What is it? Okay, what it is? It is a model of the blank. A model of the car? A model of an airplane? No, it's a model of the Earth. And it shows what the Earth looks like. What it shows land and water, all 7 blank and 5 oceans. 5 oceans and 7, what are they? Continents, the land, all 7 land pieces, the big continents. Now, latitude and longitude. Well, the latitude is blank lines that circle from east to west. What lines? What are they? The horizontal lines that circle from east to west. So, which lines are vertical lines that circle from north to south? What is it? Latitude and, of course, longitude. There's the 2 choices. Nice doing on the details and the main idea. Nice going on that. Now the vocabulary. Let's find the words. Remember the words. Picture, number 1. A small copy of something. A small copy of something is, for example, a small car, like a toy car. It is a model. And here we have a model Earth, which is called, number 2, a model of the Earth is called what? What is it? The globe. Globe. A model of the Earth is called a globe. Picture number 3. Can you see that red line? The red line? A horizontal line that circles from east to west on the globe is called, line of latitude. Line of latitude. And picture number 4, a vertical line that circles from north to south on the globe is called line of longitude. Right, a line of longitude. Hey, nice, really good on the vocabulary. Now, let's get to the point. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Which imaginary line shows longitude? Now, this should be easy, okay? Here is one line called A. There's another red line called B. Which one is longitude? A or B? Can you remember? Yes, it is. It's A, line A, from the North Pole to the South Pole. That's a line of longitude. All right, one more question. When we know the latitude and longitude of a place, we know its exact blank on the globe. We know its exact latitude, exact longitude, the pole, or the location. What's the best word for this sentence? It is the location, of course. And that's it. Nice job, everybody. You did really, really well. Now, go back and look at that again. That's very hard to remember. Latitude, longitude. It's really hard. And if you have a globe, where's your home? You can find the longitude line and the latitude line and find your home. Find out what the number is. Thank you very much for coming. I had a good time. See you again soon. Bye-bye for now.